Hey folks, Brian Martin here at Four State Trucks. Man, I'm telling you what, a lot of crazy things we're all having to do differently and deal with differently these days with the COVID-19 scare and pandemic that's going across not only our country but across the world. We're all having to live life, work our jobs, and even interact with our families much differently now than we have throughout the last many years. But you know, it's times like this when a lot of America's unsung heroes rise to the occasion. We've got a lot of heroes in America right now. First of all of our doctors, nurses, medical workers. Hats off to them for doing what they do. Ambulance, law enforcement, firemen, each and every day. Pandemic, no pandemic, hats off to those true heroes. And I'm going to tell you what, right now, America's truck drivers fall right in there with unsung heroes, that's for sure. We need you guys to keep doing what you do, keep running, keep those grocery store shelves filled as best you can, keep these dry goods shelves at the hardware store and department stores full, gasoline at the convenience stations, medical supplies to the hospitals and clinics. You guys are awesome. You go out there and fight this and brave these elements every day. Our hats off to you, and here at Four State Trucks, we're committed to be here when you need us.